Hi everyone, it's Janis here, and in this video we will explore what is law of correspondence. Do you feel that sometimes life is against you and no matter what you do, you can't seem to make the progress? In this video, we will learn how to fix it. If this is your first time on this channel, then make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updates on my latest videos about time management and productivity. The law of correspondence is the principle that our outer world is nothing more than a reflection of our inner world. When we feel bad on inside, then we'll be more likely to see bad things happening around us and ignoring the good ones. While positive vibes and inner abundance will reflect on the world around us. Have you ever been around somebody who is really happy? It's likely that you felt uplifted as well. This is because our emotions are contagious and they will affect people around us, but our emotions are coming from inside. So if you want the outer world to be enjoyable and fun, then you first have to become happy and satisfied from within. So let's take a look at some of the actions that you can take in order to improve the situation and change for better. Step 1. Assess your situation. Look at your current situation, your health, relationships, fitness, and finances. Ask yourself if you are happy with where you are right now and where things are going. This will give you a good starting point. Step 2. Take responsibility. Once you establish where you are now, you have to take responsibility for that situation, no matter how bad it is. Third, make a plan. The only way to improve from where you are right now is to set the goals and put together an action plan so you can work on it. Working towards your goals will feel great because that is really where you want to be and your inner and outer world will improve. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I was able to give you a quick summary of what law of correspondence is and why it's important. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate if you could press the like button, as this will help the video reach more people and spread the message.